Good morning, everyone, and welcome to this virtual course. My name is Santiago Arias. I am a software and communications engineer and SAP Business One consultant. Today, we will cover the following topic: creating a virtual machine through VirtualBox. Let's get started. To start creating the virtual machine through VirtualBox, we must open the Administrator console and select the new option. Following this, a form will open in which we must enter a name, a location, and also select the previously created ISO image. Then click Next. In this new form, we will enter a username, a password, the Windows product key, a machine name, and a domain name. And again, we click Next. In this form, we select the RAM that our virtual machine will use, which in my case is 8 gigabytes, and the number of processors. Again, click Next. We select the hard drive size. I recommend at least 150 gigabytes since we must install the operating system, SQL Server, SAP Business One, and Visual Studio. We click Next, and finally we click Finish. The system will begin the installation and configuration of the operating system. Remember that this operation may take several minutes, so be patient. At this moment, I will edit the video to cut unnecessary times, since this whole process is done automatically. Finally, we'll have our virtual machine up and running. We'll continue with the other installations in future videos. Thank you very much. Remember that I will be attentive to comments in case you need support with a specific topic. We've reached the end of this video. I just want to thank you for your attention. And remember, education is the most powerful weapon you can use to change the world. See you soon and have a great day.